Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm excited to share the 10 easiest ways to lose weight in just 1 month. We're talking simple, sustainable changes that can make a real difference. Make sure to stick around till the end and let me know which tip you're going to try first. You've heard it a million times, but breakfast truly is the most important meal of the day. It kickstarts your metabolism and sets the tone for your eating habits throughout the day. Don't even think about skipping it. Instead, fuel your body with a nutrient-rich breakfast like oatmeal with berries and nuts, or eggs with whole wheat toast and avocado. Remember, a healthy breakfast helps control cravings and prevents overeating later in the day. No excuses, people. Staying hydrated is crucial for overall health and weight management. Water helps you feel full, reducing the urge to snack unnecessarily. Aim for at least 8 glasses of water per day. Carry a water bottle with you and sip on it throughout the day. And don't fall for those sugary sports drinks, they're just empty calories. Choose water, unsweetened tea, or add a squeeze of lemon or lime for flavor. Remember, hydration is key to flushing out toxins and keeping your body functioning optimally. All right, let's talk about intermittent fasting. It's not about starving yourself, it's about strategically timing your meals. Think of it as a window for eating and a window for fasting. A popular method is the 16-8 method, where you fast for 16 hours and eat within an 8-hour window. Intermittent fasting can help regulate your insulin levels, boost your metabolism, and yes, help you shed those pounds. Remember, it's not for everyone, so listen to your body and consult your doctor if you have any concerns. Protein is your best friend when it comes to weight loss. It keeps you feeling full and satisfied, which means fewer cravings and less snacking. Protein also helps build and maintain muscle mass. The more muscle you have, the more calories you burn, even at rest. Aim to include protein in every meal. Think lean meats, fish, eggs, beans, or lentils. You don't need a gym membership to get moving. Walking is a fantastic way to increase your activity levels and burn calories. Aim for at least 30 minutes of brisk walking most days of the week. Start slow and gradually increase your pace and distance. Find a walking buddy to keep you motivated or put on some music and enjoy the fresh air and scenery. Every step you take is a step towards a healthier you. All right, let's tackle those sugary drinks. They're loaded with empty calories, sabotaging your weight loss goals. Ditch the soda, juice, and fancy coffee concoctions. These sugary drinks spike your blood sugar, leading to cravings and energy crashes. Instead, make water your best friend. Add slices of lemon, cucumber, or mint for a refreshing twist. Trust me, cutting out sugary drinks is a game changer. You'll see a difference in your energy levels and how your clothes fit. It's time to tune into your body and practice mindful eating. This means ditching distractions like your phone or TV while you eat. Pay attention to your food. Savor each bite, chew slowly, and appreciate the flavors. Mindful eating helps you recognize your body's hunger and fullness cues. You'll avoid overeating and make healthier choices. Remember, food is fuel, not just something to mindlessly consume. Don't underestimate the power of a good night's sleep. When you're sleep deprived, your body produces more of the stress hormone cortisol, which can lead to weight gain. Aim for 7 to 8 hours of quality sleep each night. Create a relaxing bedtime routine. Dim the lights, take a warm bath, or read a book. Make your bedroom a sleep sanctuary, dark, quiet, and cool. Prioritizing sleep is crucial for your physical and mental well-being, and it will definitely support your weight loss journey. You guys, stress is a silent killer, and not just for your waistline. When you're stressed, your body pumps out cortisol, which can lead to increased belly fat, cravings for comfort food, and decreased motivation to work out. We're going to fight back. Find healthy ways to manage stress like yoga, meditation, or spending time in nature. Even deep breathing for just 5 minutes can make a huge difference. Remember, a stressed mind can't build a strong body. You've got this. Knowledge is power, people. You got to track what you eat. It's so easy to underestimate portions and calories if you're not paying attention. Keep a food journal or use a tracking app. Write down everything, and I mean everything, you consume. This will help you identify areas where you can cut back and make healthier choices. Plus, it keeps you accountable. Remember, what gets measured gets managed. Congratulations for taking this journey to a healthier you. If you found these tips helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more content. And remember, small changes can make a big difference. You've got this.